is a used 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, premium rims, auto-dimming mirrors, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Joe Cooper Ford of Tulsa is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3400 South Sheridan, Tulsa, Oklahoma 74145.